You'll see that we're always talking about this principle called flow state. So flow state is that state of hyper-focus when action and awareness merge. Your body starts to feel completely and totally present. You're very grounded. Time might speed up or slow down. This is a really great practice to help you get into flow state. And the cool thing about attending these courses is I love to teach you guys the secret behind how to elicit a flow response. And that is a really, really powerful technology that not a lot of movement coaches and not a lot of yoga instructors know how to do. Because in order for us to get into flow state, that hyper-focused, people call it like being in the zone, you have to have a challenge that's just slightly higher than your current ability. Because if my challenge is way up here and my ability is down here, I'm going to be really kind of scared or go into a fight or flight. I might be in a state of reactivity. If my challenge is down here, my ability is up here, I'm bored. So a lot of times like athletes go to a yoga class and they're like, this is boring. Why are we just standing here? I don't understand. Like what? I'm not working my glutes. So as you start to incorporate these conditioning principles and these meaningful joint mobility drills, syncing those movements with your breath and plus using this powerful weapon that has some risk, it conjures up this warrior archetype within a person. And I've seen it with my own eyes just by opening this. This is the flagship Club Bell Yoga, Club Bell and Steel Mace Vinyasa studio. There's not another one like it in the country that incorporates strictly these training protocols in every single class. I have seen everyday general population people come in, have no experience with the mace, and they, by about 3 to 4 months into the practice, are looking like warriors. Their posture has changed. Their focus looks different. The way that they express themselves, the way that they embody their physical vessel changes. So I really hope to inspire you to learn this as a cross-training modality that's not specifically for yogis. It's not specifically for just steel mace junkies. This is for everyday people that want to feel better in their body. They want to have better posture. They want to have better breath control. And guess what else? Flow state. We want to teach everyday people how to access this really, really powerful place in the human mind. And the reason for that is, you'll notice the more time that you can spend in that flow state where you're completely grounded, you're completely connected with your body, you're triggering, the science behind it, you're triggering your neuroimmunoendocrine response to come online, you're getting more efficient, you're training heart rate recovery. The more time that you can spend in flow state's highly correlated with positive behavioral change. So when we talk about flow as a lifestyle, that's not just something wooey that we talk about. I want my clients and I want the students that are practicing these flow-based movement systems to really take this into every other aspect of their life. So yes, you're here at the studio training your 1 hour a day, but it's the other 23 hours a day that are really, really matter. So it's how you carry yourself. It's how you speak. It's how you carry your posture. It's how you stand and really own your stance on the ground.